Hello everyone, this is Hippo. Today you will learn 1B4, precipitation reactions. Firstly, important series. Precipitation reaction, a reaction which produces precipitate, or which an insoluble solid is formed when two solutions are mixed. So for this class, you have to remember the classification of all the insolubility of metal or non-metal compound. For this reaction, we can see that calcium hydroxide reacts with the dioxide to form this insoluble solid called calcium carbonate. It's also a very important reaction in Alevel because it is a testified reaction to test the carbon dioxide. To describe this, we have to say, pour the gaseous state carbon dioxide into calcium hydroxide aqueous, and it had the tendency that it become milky or cloudy. Why? Because it is from calcium carbonate. Second is to react with sulfate. In this reaction, the presence of sulfate ion in solution can be shown by the addition of barium ions, usually solutions of barium chloride or barium nitrate. Because these are not, they are soluble, but this is not soluble. And you should notice that the silver chlorine and the barium sulfide it also can solve in acid. Other insoluble solids may be react with acid, but these two are not. For example, this one, the calcium carbonate, it will react with acid like this. To form calcium sulfite and water and dioxide. In the exam, you should add the state, the solid, liquid, aqueous, liquid, and gas. So to react with highlight, the chlorine or fluorine, they are always soluble. You should note the barium, chlorine, and iodine react with the silver ion. They will produce different color of the insoluble solid. The silver chlorine is white, the silver barium is cream, and the silver iodide is yellow. In the exam, it always asks you the experiments of these three colors are difficult to identify. So you have to say this. Add ammonia water. The silver chloride will dissolve in pour ammonia water, or you can say dilute ammonia silver. But the silver bromine will dissolve in concentrate ammonia water, and the silver iodine not soluble. Working out this equation, in Edexcel you have already learned how to calculate this by mole. Also in this book, from chapters 1C, it will also ask you to learn this. I will talk about at that time. Okay, here's two names of reactants that international students have to learn. Potassium permanganate, because the magnet here have a 7 positive. As the oxidation state more high, like this is a very strong oxidation agent. It's a very high they have very high oxidation agent. And this you have learned in IGCSE because this is a reaction with alcohol. Potassium dichromate, it's yellow.